So really all I want to talk about today is one of the problems that Scanner has. And we're just going to kind of demonstrate the problem and then talk about how we can go about fixing that problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a new class. And let's just call it Scanner Issues. Okay, and we'll give that thing a main method. So check the public static void main. And then finish. Okay, so here is the basic idea. Okay, so we're going to start out by putting in here scanner console reader. And then system.in is the parameter there. And I'm going to go ahead and put in console reader.close right away. And maybe what happens for your program is the same thing that happened to mine. And that is that when I put in console reader.close, it automatically figured out what type of scanner I must be using and put the import statement in for me. So when I created scanner console reader and it had scanner underlined in red, so it didn't know what scanner was. And then I did console reader.close and it automatically figured out that I must be using this java.util.scanner. Okay, so let's look at some issues that we have here. So let's go system.out.print, and we're just going to say something like enter your name. This is kind of back to what we did the other day. And then we'll make a string for the name, and that'll be console reader dot next line. And then we'll do enter your age. Int age equals console reader dot next int. And so you can see when this little thing pops up after I hit the dot, right? This little pop-up happens. I can kind of use my arrow keys to arrow down to what I want and then hit enter and do it that way as well. So then I'm just going to report out the things that we just got in. So name equals plus name. Sorry if that's hard to see from where you are. So the idea here is we're going to ask for the name, age, and color, and then give back the name, age, and color. Okay, so I'm going to run this and see kind of what happens here. We're going to go ahead and run it. And so we're going to enter our name, enter our age. And so this is the problem that I wanted to kind of show you. Okay, it says here enter your favorite color, and then name equals was, age equals 40, and color equals nothing. So I don't know why this is a problem, but it's a consistent problem with Scanner. And the problem is, and I guess we'll just kind of put in a little set of notes right here. scanner has an issue with reading a mix of strings and numeric types. So when we say numeric types, we mean like int or double. Okay. So to resolve that problem, or that issue, we can use more than one scanner in the same program. Okay. So in other words, we're going to use a scanner for the strings and another scanner for the numbers. All right. And so in our program here, we have scanner console reader, right? So maybe what we want to do is change the name of this, and we'll say that this is the scanner string reader, okay? And then we'll make another scanner that'll be called number reader. So we'll change this to string reader, and then anytime that we're reading a string, we'll use string reader. So for the name and the color. And then we'll go up here and we'll make another scanner called number reader. And it's the same idea here. We're just doing system.in again. All right. But then here where we want to read the age, we're going to use the number reader for that. Okay. Then at the bottom, we want to close the string reader and also close the number reader. Let me just go ahead and run this again so we can see that it is fixing the problem that we had before. So here we go, entering name, age, and now when I look to enter my favorite color, it's actually giving me the opportunity to do that. Okay, so blue. And now it says name is Woz, age is 40, color is blue. So before it wouldn't let me enter the color because the 40 was there. Okay,